afternoon, children. Yesterday we had seen about the communicable and non-communicable diseases. Today we are going to see the diseases which are caused by the microbes or the microorganisms. In this slide we are going to see the diseases caused by the microbes. So the viruses cause the diseases like polio, chickenpox, measles, rabies and hepatitis. And the bacterial infection, they cause typhoid, diphtheria, TB, cholera and pneumonia. Protozoa cause the diseases like amoebic, dysentery, malaria, sleeping sickness. Fungi causes the disease, that is the skin diseases. Now, these communicable diseases can be spread by air, water or direct contact with the skin. Yes, now we will see the airborne diseases. That means the diseases which are caused through air. That is, first of all, it is tuberculosis. It is a common infectious disease caused by bacteria which affects the lung. And the main symptoms of the TB are severe cough that lasts for 3 weeks or longer, bloody or discolored sputum, night sweats, fever, fatigue and weakness, pain in the chest, loss of appetite and pain during the breathing or coughing. Next airborne disease is the flu, a common viral infection that can be deadly. The flu attacks the lungs, nose and the throat. Young children, older adults and people with chronic disease, immune systems are at great risk. Pneumonia is another airborne disease. It has symptoms like acute congestion of lungs, difficulty in breathing and fever. Next we come to the waterborne diseases. Water is very important part of our diet. 70% of our body weight consists of water. Water is essential for digestion and absorption of food. It helps in the removal the waste from the body. Cholera and dysentery both have acute diarrhea as a symptom. Plenty of fluids must be taken to avoid dehydration. In hepatitis, there may be loss of appetite, giddiness, yellow coloring of the eyes and the skin. This yellow coloring or jaundice is a symptom of hepatitis. Treatment includes rest and fat-free diet. So let us recall what we have studied today. We have seen the different diseases caused by the microbes. That is, what are the diseases? What are the diseases which are caused by viruses? That are the measles, rabies, hepatitis. Then the bacterial diseases, that is the typhoid, diphtheria, tuberculosis, cholera and pneumonia. Then protozoa, dysentery, malaria, sleeping sickness, fungi causes skin disease. Now these all communicable diseases, that is diseases which are caused by the microbes, this is spread by air, water or direct contact with the sick person. So, in the airborne diseases, what are the airborne diseases? That are the tuberculosis and the flu and the pneumonia. And the waterborne diseases are the cholera, dysentery, hepatitis and typhoid. So, I think children, it is very clear to you that what are the diseases caused by the microbes and which all diseases are airborne diseases and which all are waterborne diseases.